Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design. Today I want to tell you about something very interesting that is going on in Madrid. So if you are around the area, go there. If you're not there, well, I'm going to tell you quite a few things that you might want to go and search and look for because they are quite interesting. So a few days ago, I received an interesting email by Ana Hernandez, who is part of a group called We Crave Design, and she's telling me how they are presenting a project called Instincts at Madrid Design Festival. So this is the Madrid Design Festival website, and this is the page dedicated to their work. Their work is called Instincts. This should be written somewhere, and it's going on from a few days ago to the end of February. So I'm going to show you their website. This is their website, We Crave, and these are the lovely lady who are part of the team. So go women, can I say that? Wonderful. And the project that they are presenting to Madrid Design Festival is called Instinct, and here we learn more about it. By the way, their website is wecravedesign.com. And in this project, they are presenting an exhibition from artist Masaki Hasegawa. I hope I hope I am pronouncing this correctly. And a few talks. The first 3 talks are going to be on February 7 at 7 p.m. And then on February 21, there will be 2 more talks, one from the artist of the exhibition himself, one from the group Escaparatec. But by the way, these are interesting guys. This is their website, escaparatec.com, and they do I+D+R and experimental marketing. In other words, they combine technology, design, and creativity. They've done quite a few things on food design. I've known them for a while. They're interesting people if you want to look into their work also. Quite interesting events that they have done, so check them out. Going back, and then on February 28th, the last talk, which has 2 talks, one about slow fashion, and the girls at We Crave Design, the women at We Crave Design, talking about feeding knowledge. Instincts is about this. The concept is about this. Humanity is on the verge of completely disconnecting with the surrounding nature that lives amongst us. The constant search for progress has turned technology and evolution against it, making us dependent on artificial stimulus that slowly incapacitate us to perceive reality through our feelings. Love it. Love every word of this. We believe the paradigm shift comes when, instead of thinking sustainable as doing good for the globe as an isolated figure, we design to create one that helps us see ourselves as part of nature. Sustainability should be an unconscious desire of the designer in the attempt of rediscovering our relationship with it. I'm going to repeat this. Sustainability should be an unconscious desire of the designer in the attempt of rediscovering our relationship with it. I think this makes a lot of sense. I think this is exactly what sustainability should be. Sustainability should be not a fancy word that you add to your projects to make more people talk about it, but it should just be that things that you do without thinking about it because you know it's the right thing. So they describe this as an unconscious desire of the designer, and I think this makes sense. I also think, though, that this is the ideal situation when a designer has sustainability as an unconscious desire. That is he has arrived with regards to sustainability. That's the goal. That is where you want to be. On the other hand, for people like me who train food designers and future food designers, then we want to make sustainability a very conscious aspect of every thinking that you make, so that with practice, by doing it, one day will become unconscious. And this is also why, for me at least, when I teach food design and food design thinking specifically, my courses that are coming up, sustainability has to be conscious, has to be present, of every step. Moving on with how they explain instincts, this project. With this in mind, we created Instincts, a place where we will rediscover our relationship with nature through gastronomy, art, design and technology, promoting and teaching us to live with nature and not from nature. Love it, love it, love it. I wish I was there, but if you guys are around Madrid, then here is where you can book to attend the talks, and here is where you can book to attend the food experience, which is going to be, oh, did I say this? Yeah, the third part of Instinct is going to be this food experience, or a dinner, in other words. It's going to be Thursday and Fridays, price is 50 euros, blah, blah, blah. And here is where you can register. Brilliant. I think I've said everything that I wanted to say. Congratulations to Crave Design. You guys seem to be doing a wonderful work. Specifically this one, Instinct, specifically the topics that you are touching with Instincts, I think are commendable, and I think they should be inspirational. I hope they will be inspirational to every food designer and food-oriented person that is watching this video and that will be watching and attending your event. Before I close this video, I just want to remind you that if you're interested in food design, go and check out the Online School of Food Design at onlineschooloffooddesign.org, because there are a lot of good things happening, a lot of new things happening around food design thinking, which is my complete methodology to develop and pursue food creativity for every project that has to do with food. So if you want to design dishes or new restaurants, cafes, food trucks, food products, or if you want to design a whole or part of a food system, then food design thinking is the methodology that I have developed. So if you go on the website of the school, you will find plenty of new courses and books and wonderful stuff going on. So go and check that out. As always, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.